We're back at our renovation site in Mona Vale, and the team have been busy ripping apart the old facade and have now moved on to the kitchen area. I've dropped in for the exciting part, planning the new kitchen. It's hard to believe that less than an hour ago there was a kitchen in here, but as you can see, the whole thing has been gutted. It was a really standard size kitchen before, but the owners are taking this new kitchen up to the next level, and it's going to look absolutely amazing. All of the bench tops and the splashback will be in a beautiful Caesar stone. It's going to have a waterfall finish on the bench and, of course, the Polytech black matte cabinetry, which is just taking luxury to a whole new level. Taking it to the next level is not easy, and it will raise a lot of questions and challenges, particularly if it's your first kitchen renovation. Design, materials, colours, finishes, and of course budget are all significant factors. So I've come down to Kitchenworks to get some advice from the experts. Okay, Sam, so tell me, where do we start when we're ready to actually design a new kitchen?
When you're starting out, it's important to look at the space as a blank canvas. Don't worry too much about where things are, because that's not necessarily where they should be or what makes the most sense for the space. I try to plan everything out as if, it's an empty room and things can just go wherever they make sense to come up with the right space that suits the client's needs.
Okay, well, let's talk budget. Where can things blow out and where can we save money?
Well, I guess the variance in costs in a kitchen tend to come in the materials. Obviously, the layout will have some impact on the total cost of the project, but at the end of the day, it's the materials and the finishes that are going to dictate how much everything costs. So work out what it is that's important to you in your kitchen, whether that be a really nice high-end Caesar stone benchtop or perhaps a really cool shaker profile door, and build your kitchen around that.
So you might have a preconceived idea of, what sits within your budget, but in actual fact, you might be pleasantly surprised at some of those upmarket finishes that you can have.
Yeah, exactly right. Pick what it is that you love about a kitchen and build from there.
Right, okay, so we're looking at practicality, we're looking at performance, and we're looking at streamlined beauty.
Exactly.
Nice.
Yeah.